This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming CP/M version and CPU compatibility, Z80 or compatible, because Termux requires POSIX-like support. Once done, prepare a bootable image or SD with at least 4 MB free. This speeds installs. Make sure you have a Termux binary for CP/M or set up a cross-compile toolchain to build from source. Begin copying the runtime into the CP/M file system now. Place libs and binaries into a single directory so the loader finds them quickly. Now continue by mounting the CP/M image or transferring files to your device and copy the Termux directory exactly, preserving structure. Then configure environment variables. Set path to include the Termux bin, set home, and install or wrap a SH-compatible shell so scripts run. Next, place BusyBox-like utilities and adjust the loader or linker stubs to resolve shared libs. Make sure file permissions and executable flags match CP/M expectations so the runtime can launch reliably. Finish by starting Termux in CP/M, initialize its package manager, and install essential packages like corutils, bash, and a text editor. Then test basic commands, ls, cp, roman 6, curl, and verify networking if the hardware or emulator exposes a stack. Once stable, create config snapshots and backups. If something goes wrong, inspect loader error messages first. Missing shared libraries, path typos, or CPU incompatibility are the most common issues. When needed,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.